What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be working on the FRS. As you can see right now, I have an OEM seat back in the car. Some of you guys might see my previous videos that I have a Bride bucket seat in the car, but I kind of took it out and let a friend borrow it, and now we're gonna put it back into the car. And since I haven't made a video on kind of installing a seat on the FRS, I figure I might as well take this opportunity to make a video for you guys. It's pretty much a simple process. I'm gonna walk you guys through. Should take you guys no less than like 30 minutes after you get it all set up to get the seat back in there. So yeah, let's turn over to the bucket seat here. This is the seat that was originally in the car. It's a Bride Zeta 3 seat. I bought Uncle. I mean, it's gotten some wear and tear here and there through the year, but the seat served me well. Been through a lot with the seat, but yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna just walk you guys through. So right now, I got these seat rails that I'm gonna have to put into the car. So I'm gonna line these up, basically screw these on before I put it in the car. Depending on how you guys want your seat, I tend to like it a little bit more lean back, so I have a little bit more thigh support in the front. Kind of with the Bride seats, especially these seats, you kind of see it's like kind of tapers up here for your thigh, but it's not enough for my liking. So I lean it back a little bit more, so the top here supports my thigh a little bit more. But yeah, let me line these up and get these all set up, and I'll get back to you guys.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby, it's just twist your body and mine.
Alright guys, so as you can see, I got everything set up to kind of how I wanted it. So with this, you guys might have to take a couple tries to kind of just adjust this and find, a balance on what you guys are happy with. But for me, since I've had the seat for a while, I know this is the optimal setting for me, for the way I like it and the way I sit specifically. And this works for me. Before I had this at the tires and then this in the middle, but now that I have the opportunity, since the seat's out, I wanted to lower a little bit more just to get a little bit more thigh support. It was kind of difficult to do this in the car, and I was kind of lazy to kind of take out the rails myself. But nonetheless, now since the seat's out, I might as well give this a try on both sides. You can see it's in the same settings here. So yeah, so we're pretty much ready to go. You guys might have, depending on the seat rails in the car you guys have, you guys might have difficulty with this bolt right here. I believe from factory, from you're buy brand new, these should be like Allen bolts, if I'm correct. I'm not too sure, but I didn't get this brand new. I got it off a friend a few years ago when he bought the car, or bought the seat, and he got rid of the car, so I picked this up for a good deal. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go take off the stock seat now. So this should be only 2 bolts here in the front, and then 2 bolts in the back that you should take out. And depending if you guys want to use the seat belt, you might have to take this one off as well, but that could come after you take out the stock seat. And also one thing before you take this out, I want you guys to pay attention to this, the seatbelt. There is a wire underneath that you have to unclip afterwards. That should be pretty simple, and I'll show you guys how that's done. But yeah, without further ado, let me go unbolt these couple of bolts here, and then we'll get the seat out the way.
Wind and rain, you're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh.
Alright guys, it's a little dark. Let me just give you guys a flashlight here. 1 second. So as you can see, you have 2 clips here that you have to remove for the seatbelt. First one's this white clip here. These are pretty easy to take off, and as well as this one. You might have to pull on it, but just be careful, don't pull on the wires, just pull on the clips itself. But I'm gonna show you guys this now. Let's see. Let's focus in on that. Alright, so first clip. Let's see, where is it? So it's pretty simple. Pull on the bottom. This last clip usually is the hardest one to pull out, but it's pretty simple. Just hold down on those white tab here and just pull it out. That's the whole thing. Don't pull on the wire. That's a no-go. But yeah, with that being said, the seat should come out now pretty easily. And then after we take out the seat, we're going to unbolt the seatbelt bracket here, and then we'll continue on with the install. Well, as you can see, the seat's out. Oh, excuse the little mess here. But anyways, the seat's out. As you see, at first, seats are pretty simple. If you guys want, you guys can take off the seatbelt here. I know some of them, you guys like to loop it through the side bolster of the bucket seat. But I don't think I'm gonna be doing that today, since I already have this for my harnesses that I have in the back that I'm gonna have to put back in. Whew. I'm out of breath, guys. But yeah, make sure you guys retain the original seat bolts for the floor, because we're gonna be reusing that for the bride seats. But yeah, anyways, let's get to taking off the seatbelt bracket here, and we're gonna reuse this for the bucket seat over there. So yeah, let's get to it. So yeah, now that the seatbelt mounts in there, I'm gonna slide the seat in there and test fit everything, make sure everything's good, and then we'll bolt everything down, and then we should be done with the install there. So yeah, let me place you guys down somewhere better. Alright guys, the seat's in. I think I might have to tighten a bolt there, but besides that, it's pretty much all set. Again, always double check, make sure you tighten all the bolts. But right now, let me just test out the harnesses, make sure we're solid. Like that. See if I can still fit in this. I mean, it's still pretty good, solid. Yeah, this seating position, I mean, it is a little bit lower for me, but like it's better for my foot. So can't complain about that. As you see, so wow, heel and toe. But yeah, this feels solid, amazing. I mean, so far so good. I believe. I mean, it's already tightened, but I just always want to double check. I'm just trying to tighten that for now. Besides that, yeah, the clutch, the install is a quick and simple install. Let's see, we can actually start the car. The airbag light should be going away, hopefully. Yep. Yeah. Pretty much it. Nothing crazy. Yes, for buggy seat, this is a fairly simple install. Trying to see me struggle to get out the car, but yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, subscribe, like, comment down below what you guys want to see next. But this is only the beginning. Soon, I mean, the weather's already getting a little bit warmer, so I'm just waiting for a week or two before I, you know, take this car out. And this car is probably gonna go to Signal, and it's gonna go to Aiden for oil change. Sorry for all the road noise behind me, but we are in a garage. It's next to the highway, so noise level is kind of be there all the time. But yeah, this is gonna wrap it up for the seat install. I'm very happy with this. Again, I'm just gonna go over a few more bolts just to make sure they're all tightened down to spec. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.